Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are discuss about in a topic. The topic is how to get the largest tax refund possible. How to get the largest tax refund possible. How do you get the most money back from Uncle Sam? We explain how online tax apps help you report everything correctly and maximize your return deduction and credits. In the last 2 years, taxpayers received much needed help in the form of stimulus payments and change to the tax code related to the COVID-19 pandemic as vaccines and treatments have become realities. COVID has settled down some and so has the tax code. The pandemic era changes have reverted to previous level. Between that and the effect of inflation, you will be looking for ways to maximize your tax return. Refund personal tax preparation websites and tax apps can help. Here we explain how the best tax app help you find deduction and credits you might miss if you did your taxes by hand on your own. Tax apps conduct a final review of your taxes to make sure you do not have any errors and have not overlooked any possible ways you might be able to save money. Online tax services are compliant with the current IRS tax code and have three goals: help you file an accurate tax return, make the tax filing process as quick and painless as possible, ensure you pay only what you owe and do not things miss deductions of strange they may seem and huge life and accurate. And the purpose of things would not be reached to online beats paper. Preparing and filing your taxes online is much easier and more convenient than doing it on paper. It's like writing, even if you only write on occasional letter or work memo. Your composition skills probably improve when you use a computer. Catching and fixing errors is simply easier and more efficient on a computer. The same concept applies to preparing your taxes, and when it comes to taxes, having no errors is key to getting any money you are out and not having any adulting hassles down the line. If you are a paper based tax preparer who refuse to go online, we have to ask why would you want to sit at a table surrounded by a mound of papers you have to fill in manually when you can do the same task sitting at your computer or even your phone? HR Block has created special variant for tablets, iPad and Android this year. The company also says some of its users have even done their taxes on Samsung smart refrigerator or PlayStations. The developers who make tax apps know how much most people loathe tax preparation, so they make their apps are approachable as possible. Plus, you are more likely to do a more thorough job when you are interacting with a friendly, visually appealing, easy to use application instead of giving and thundermating of them. Given a question when you cannot figure out of whether you can claim a particular edit or reduction and how to do it, you just follow the instructions. How do tax apps streamline such as a convoluted and complex process to the point where you more likely to file of return that reflect every elements of your tax related finance? Below are some of the many ways walk walk through you do not have to deal with official IRS and state forms and schedules. All tax prep applications guide you through the entire process using a series of wizards. They ask simple question and you provide answer. The site does all of them and strategies. They they ask simple question and you provide answer. The site does all the calculation and complete the required documents for your returns without you ever having to see official IRS or state farm. With this, we end our video and see you in our next video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.